Data science dominates most industries today as most are based on data. It has revolutionized various sectors considering the vast field of data science and its diverse application. It is only to be expected that it will find its place in manufacturing as well. The manufacturing industry is undergoing a tremendous transformation supported by today's digital age, requiring greater agility for customers, business partners, and suppliers. The increasing scale and speed can be challenging for manufacturers, and this is where data science comes into play. Big data analytics are driving smart manufacturing. According to IDC prediction, by 2021, at least one-fifth of the largest manufacturers will rely on embedded intelligence systems based on cognitive data applications and IoT. Creating a need for artificial intelligence and machine learning will result in the automation of large-scale processes, speeding up the execution time by nearly 25%. Let us see some of the applications of data science in manufacturing. Real-time data of performance and quality. The data collected from the machines are used to create a set of performance indicators. This enables data-driven root cause analysis of scrap and downtime. Data science provides a proactive and responsive approach to machine maintenance and optimization. This improves productivity and reduces downtime. The creation of a predictive model that monitors machine performance and downtime can then be used to predict the type of yield improvement, the impact of external changes, scrap reduction, and quality. Preventive maintenance and fault prediction. AI can analyze data from various sensors and equipments to predict when maintenance is needed. This can help identify problems before they occur and reduce the risk of unexpected downtime. Machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze data from equipment and identify patterns that indicate potential failures. This can help manufacturers schedule maintenance before a failure occurs. Computer vision systems can monitor the condition of equipment and identify any issues that may need to be addressed. Automation and robotization in the smart factory. AI algorithms can be used to analyze data and make decisions in real time, enabling the automation of tasks that previously required human intervention. AI can be used to predict when equipment is likely to fail, allowing maintenance to be scheduled in advance rather than waiting for a problem to occur. The last one is supply chain optimization. Artificial intelligence can be used in supply chain optimization to improve efficiency, reduce cost, and increase customer satisfaction. It can be used to analyze data from various sources to forecast demand, identify trend, optimize production, and also develop and execute optimal plans for sourcing, production, and distribution. Taking constraints into account such as capacity, lead times, and transportation cost. AI plays a vital role in optimizing inventory levels based on demand forecast and lead times, reducing excess inventory and associated costs. AI helps optimizing transportation routing and scheduling, taking factors such as distance, traffic, and weather into account. A McKinsey survey found out that companies that are leveraging digital transformation in manufacturing are leading the industry. They have adopted 4 IR technologies such as big data analytics, IoT, predictive analysis, and automation to name a few. As a result, they have seen a number of benefits in manufacturing efficiency, productivity, and cost. These include 30 to 50% less machine downtime, 15 to 30% higher labor productivity, 10 to 20% lower quality related costs. Early adopters have already begun to gain a competitive advantage by significantly reducing operation cost, improved time to market, and optimizing performance. Please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest data science and AI trends. Thank you.